Okay, quick tutorial on using Google Maps to use in firefighter related situations to be integrated with pre-incident fire plans and to be able to put hydrants onto the Google Maps. First thing you do is create a Google account. It's free. Just go to Google and create an account. Once you've created a Google account, go to maps.google.com and which will bring you to your regular map Google Map page. But right here, if you click on My Maps, you can create a new map. And basically, what you're creating is layers that go on top of the current Google Maps. So you can create one there, and that you can create more than one, and they'll be listed all here, and you can turn them on and off depending on what you want to view. I'm going to click on Hydrants here, which is a layer that I've created. It just is some random hydrants from my district that I've put in. I'm going to zoom in right on this one over here and click on it, and you can have any information in this balloon you want. You can have videos, pictures, links to other pages. Right here I just put a picture of the building it's behind of, which is one of my fire stations that I work at. And gives me the address. Also, you'll notice that next to it there is a red box here that you can click on, and it brings up more information on that particular building that I've put in. I've also linked it to a web pre-incident fire plan I've created. I'm going to do another tutorial on how to make web-based pre-incident fire plans so that you can link them to the maps here. I'm going to scroll over here, but while I'm scrolling over, I just want to say that one of the great things about Google Maps is that they are wherever you are. As long as you have a computer with internet access, you can access these maps without having to install any special software. You just log in with your username, and you can access them. Right here you can see that I have multiple buildings in different colors with different color borders and different width borders with all the hydrants around them. You click on them, and you can once again you can have any information in here you want. Quickly, I'll show you how to add a hydrant or any marker that you want to mark. Just click edit here, and right now it's editing the one I have clicked, but I'm going to click right here on marker. I can place this marker anywhere I want. Once it's placed, it asks me to input information. I can input plain text or HTML. I can also change the icon to look like many different things. You can also add your own icon and link it from another web page. If you decide you don't want that, you just click delete. It asks you if you're okay. I click OK, and it deletes that marker. Google Maps also, as you can see, has satellite views. You can also do terrain views or just a plain map view. Also, they just added a feature of traffic. It can show live traffic, previous traffic, and guesstimate what traffic in the future is going to be like. By clicking on that. You can also click here photos, and it will show photos of the area around town. I know that's not really firefighter related, but it's just a feature that's there, and it's just showing that they constantly are adding features to Google Maps. Also, you have the Wikipedia here. If you check this and you'll zoom out, you'll see Wikipedia marks as like this one right here, and it will just, if there's a Wikipedia based on that neighborhood or whatever it's over, right here at East Naples, you can see a full article on the information of that Wikipedia. Also, a brand new feature I just found today right before I made this tutorial, which is great. I'm going to flip over here, is their street view, which in my town they have pretty much every street other than maybe gated communities already have the street view. Across the country, it seems like they're getting around. There's some places that it isn't completely done yet, but just check your area, type in a street in your neighborhood, and see if it says street view. Click on the street view, and what it does is it brings you to a view that you can see of being right there standing in the road. You can, with your mouse, look around. Oh, hey, look, there's one of my fire trucks. You can move all around, look up and down. It's just like stand there. If you want to move forward down the road, you just click on these arrows here, and I can move down the road here. I can click here and move this way. Once again, still looking all different ways. You can also zoom in, so I can zoom in on the fire truck right here. Zoom back out. You can make it full screen by clicking on here, and it gives you a larger view. And this is just a brand new feature, just showing once again the features that Google is constantly adding to all their features that they already have. They're constantly adding new features to their software, which can be very beneficial. You can see what a building looks like before you get there, see what the road is if you've never been there before. And it doesn't get much more visual than this. So once again, Google Maps is free compared to other mapping software out there, which is costs hundreds or thousands of dollars, and then they charge you another couple of $100 to update. Also with the street view here, you see a lot of streets outlined in blue. Any street that's outlined in blue, that means there's a street view. So I can drag this little guy here and put him down on this road over here, and right away it will give me a street view of that area. Also, I know a lot of people are thinking, well, does Google Maps have GPS? Because a lot of people rely on GPS. What you could do, Google Earth, which is a program you download, there's a version you can purchase, which does cost some money, which allows GPS. But if you like Google Earth more than Google Maps, you can click this view in Google Earth, and it will download anything you input. So if you put all these hydrants in and you click view in Google Earth, it will download it and open it up in Google Earth for you, so you can get that 3D view that you may like more than the 2D view they have here. Once again, I went over this very quick. If you get a chance, go to Google Maps, get a Google account for free, play with it. At any point you can delete what you've done, and it's just, I think, a great way to have maps for the fire fighting business, because it's very easy for you to go to the next department over that you may have sharing lines, and instead of saying, well, we have to get the same software and we have to all spend thousands of dollars to all get the same thing, you can say, here's a link, just type this into your web browser, these are our maps. And we would hope you would do the same thing, and that way we're not spending thousands of dollars, and we don't have to all be trying to figure out what's the best software for everybody, and pay for it and then find out it's not going to work like we all want, because one department may like one better than the other. This is free and ready to go, and don't have to install anything on the computer itself.